Hi, Lou Manfredini, Ace's home expert. Is your smoke detector or carbon monoxide detector beeping? We've got the answers. I'm here with Pat, a 20-year veteran of the fire department. All right, smoke detectors, sometimes they chirp and people don't understand why. Do you have some advice on that?
Chirping usually means that the battery's dying or it's getting inconsistent power. So you want to change the battery, or if it's not working out, or you look at the thing and it's more than 5 to 7 years old, you want to get rid of it and just get a new one.
I know that sometimes people do change the battery and it still chirps. Is there a way to kind of reset it, to maybe try something before you go ahead and replace it?
Sometimes, depending on the model, you can push a test button and hold it and it'll recycle itself to reset itself. Again, if you're changing batteries and you've had it up for a little while and you put it up, it's a relatively inexpensive item compared to the damage that's going to happen in your home and your loved ones.
Go ahead and replace it.
Absolutely.
And that's it. If you'd like more information, please go to our website, acehardware.com, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Better yet, stop by your local neighborhood Ace Hardware store, because Ace is the helpful place.